So we're at Blomidon Provincial Park. Beautiful day. There's the view. There's the rig. There's the lock that's broken. So I climbed inside, took out the 3 screws from the inside. The lock's not letting go. As you can see, it just ain't letting go. There's 2 screws holding it in right in here. So I'm going to take the chisel, cut those 2 screws, pop the lock out, and replace it. Hopefully. So we got the old lock out finally. The latch that holds the door closed wasn't going in all the way. Went in, there's 3 pieces of metal in here. And we got it in 2, but we didn't get it in the 3rd one, and finally we got it in. So we did a little bit of damage here, as you can see, but that's all cosmetic. So all I did was I put the lock back in, because the one that we bought at the RV shop didn't fit. It was for a travel trailer. So on the inside, what I did, you can see where I took, all the catches out and everything, trying to get the old lock, this lock out. Finally got it out, got in the door, bought the wrong one. They sold us the wrong one. So then we're driving and it's not really catching because now there's no latch anymore. So what I did was I bought a handle from Walmart and pull it closed. And then, once it's closed, the only thing holding it is the screen door latch. See? So we bought some rope. We got it roped to the handle to keep it closed while we drove. Just stopped at, what was the name of the? Blue Nose RV, Nova Scotia. They had the right one, $200 and something, but hopefully it'll be fixed very soon.